What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Pixels or Austin, and I'm back with something a little different. It's been about a month since I talked to you guys last. I'm gonna be taking a couple pictures today. I got some pretty crazy shit out here. Right here we got the A6000 mixed with the Viltrox. God damn, what the fuck is that? Because tweak some settings. Jeez, put the ISO all the way. Shutter speed's a little high. It's so fucking bright, bro. Holy hell. We're not far enough back. Gotta be far enough back here. Yeah, that was a good one. What the fuck even is this? A vandal? Like that? Dude, I mean, shit looks crazy though. Like, this shit looks fucking wicked as fuck. Hell yeah. I guess it's like a fucking trike of some sort. It's just so bright out here, dude. So bright out here. I don't know if any of the shots will come out good. Hopefully they will. We get the Sonic charger too. Like, dude, fucking. Yes. Yes. It's fucking sick as fuck, bro. Is you? Man, this is clean, dude.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Clean, clean. This is crazy. Get the ground shot there. Ooh, shit. Accidentally hit the mic. Ooh. Oh my god. It is so fucking hot. Oh, what do we got here? What do we got here, boys? See if we can put it on the ground a little bit. Ooh. Looks fucking dude. Hello. Too damn hot. Man, it's clean though. Yeah. It's fucking good. Motherfuckers like barely been fucking. Hey, how are you? Pretty good, pretty good. See if we can get a nice one of this in the sun right here. Oh, that's it right there. Oh, bro, buddy tripped me the fuck out. Word. That's it right there. Yes, sir. Ooh. Yeah. It looks. How's it going, man? Yeah, I don't like the angle of it. Let's see if we get back a little bit farther. Yes. I don't really like it. Ooh, we got the Supra with the Viper behind it. Oh my god. Ooh. It's fucking hot. Beautiful, beautiful. My god. Beautiful, beautiful car. The Viper is insane. Let's get one on the ground. Oh my god. Yeah. Holy fuck. My word. Cool. Yeah. Sweet. Actually, I do want to use that. A bit of that. Yes. My gosh, it's beautiful. All right, let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. A little bit better, actually. Yes, ma'am. I do want. Oh. Turn it down, open it up a little bit. That's crazy. Yeah. Hey, how's it going? But this one right here is just crazy. Be fucking what? My word. What even? What even? What even? I mean, just look at this. Like this thing's fucking. This thing is crazy. This thing is absolutely fucking wild. Like what? But the main one I wanted to get a couple pictures of was the ACR and the 50 right here. That's just absolutely gorgeous. Gee. Also get the Chevy right beside it. It just keeps getting better, bro. There's just beautiful shit everywhere. God.
Oh, he's actually here.
Ooh. No. No. Oh. Yeah, this thing got fucking hot. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. This thing got hot. I really like the Ford Falcon, though. The Falcon is absolutely fucking insane. Yes. In the blue? Yes. Alright. There's my ride.